Hello guys and good morning. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd. I thought I would vlog today just because I'm going to be doing a lot of running around and shopping, so I figured I would bring you guys along with me. It's 9 o'clock on the dot and I actually just dropped my parents off at the airport because they're going out of town for a few days. So now I have a little bit of time to kill before I have PT at 9:30, so I actually have to stop at Dollar Tree for one of my errands. So I'm going to go pick up some stuff in there now. Here we are, Dollar Tree. So I need some flowers. These are kind of pretty. I don't know which ones I'm going to pick yet, but so many options. I need to get a few of these little mirror things. I need one of these foam squares. That fit? Yeah, that'll fit. Dollar Tree was a success. I picked up everything I needed. I originally went into the Dollar Tree thinking I needed more than I actually did. So everything I picked up was for a DIY that I'm going to be doing on my channel very soon. So I'm just on the way to PT right now. As I was saying before my camera moved, I'm just on the way to PT now. And then I'm going to get coffee and breakfast after. Here we are. So I just finished up at PT and now I'm on the way to Starbucks because where else would I be going? And I'm gonna grab a coffee because I'm still half dead even though it's like 10:30. The homeland. Got the goods. I am home now. I'm gonna make some breakfast and I'm gonna unload the dishwasher. As we can tell, I have a lot of crap to send out today. A textbook I have to send. This is the giveaway package. I'm so excited to send it. And then this is a Pandora giveaway I had on my Instagram, so I have to drop that off as well. I'm on the road again, and I have quite a bit to do. So I'm probably gonna drop off those packages at UPS first, and then I have to stop at the camera store to return a charger. I'm gonna probably go to Best Buy and buy a different one, and then I'm gonna also probably go to Five Below because I'm looking for room decor still, and I might stop at Joann's to get hot glue for my hot glue gun. Oh, by the way, it's 1:45 now. I haven't had lunch, but I had a really late breakfast, so like I'm not hungry. Got the boxes. I'm struggling quite a bit. Was successful. Quick and easy. Nice and snappy, just how I like it. And now we're gonna go to the camera store. We're here. Next, on to Best Buy. I'm looking for a charger for my camera that's cheaper than the one I bought there. So I found the one I'm gonna get. It's 40 bucks. We are now arriving at my next destination, Five Below. Let's see what we can get in here. I literally have not been in a Five Below since I was like 12. This place is amazing. Everything's so cheap, and they have so many different things too. They have like workout stuff here for $5. This tray organizer is literally $5. They have those like Anthropologie wood shelves here for $5. I mean, they're not like exactly the same, but are you kidding me? Last stop of the day. I'm back and my room is currently in shambles, but that's only because I started organizing and decluttering last night. I'm not really changing my room, but I'm just touching it up and making it how I really want it to be. So that means excessive cleaning and new decor. This is what it looks like right now. It's currently a mess to say the least, but it'll get picked up, and my bed is a mess. Figured I would show you guys what I got from Five Below because I was just like, overly excited because I spoil my dog. I got her a cute little bed. She doesn't have like a bed besides her crate, so I figured that would be good to get her, and it was $5. One of my best friends, Emily, who you guys have seen a ton of times in the vlog, she always uses this, and I tried it one time and I like fell in love, and I haven't been able to find it anywhere. I came across it at Five Below unexpectedly. I also bought this baby blue bandana. I thought this would be really cute because I like to tie it around my neck as like a little ascot thing. And I got this marquee light box. It's really small, but I think it's perfect for the size of my room. And lastly, I got this cute little bin that I'm gonna use as like a garbage bin, sort of. I can't even begin to tell you how much better this looks because I didn't show you before, but this literally was like just piled in and it was so unorganized, but I got rid of so much stuff.
2 hours later.
I just filmed my DIY and I ran into like 7 problems, so when the video goes up, bear with me. There were some flaws to the DIY, but it turned out really good. Ryan is over now, and he's been over for a couple hours. We are just watching Nationals because the ladies' short is tonight. Perfect setup. I'm going to end the vlog here because all we're going to be doing is watching Nationals and chillaxing, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it was kind of random, kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!